Hello students, myself Mrs. Shilpa, a primary teacher from Kendriya Vidyalay, Kamla Nehru Nagar, Ghaziabad, region Agra. Today we are going to continue the lesson Every Drop Counts, class 5th EVS. In first part you have already seen that what are the sources of water. Also seen how people in Rajasthan manage without having a lot of rainfall. We have also seen some parts of Rajasthan. Now, let us see the target learning outcome of this remaining lesson to know the importance of water conservation and how and why rainwater is harvested. Also to know the value of saving water. Some activities are also there. First one is making of working model of well. The link is given here. You can watch video through this link and can make model of working well. Some posters are given here. You can draw on your own also. Now let us discuss how we get water. Here are some pictures how we get water. In first picture we can see people get water from Jal Board water tanker. Many people fill water from wells. Some people fills the tank and use it for whole day. Many people get water from tap. The hand pump is the source for many people. They have to buy drinking water. Many people put a pump in the Jal Board pipeline so they get water directly. Many people use borewell to pump up the water, but many times there will be no electricity. Few people draw water from canal. Canals are waterways that are built by people and used for shipping, travel and irrigation. These are the pots used to store the water. Copper pot, brass pot, stone carving pot, earthen pot. Students, just imagine our earth without water. This could be our fate when there will be no water as in picture. Again, there are some pictures what will happen without water. Reasons for shortage of water. Climate change such as altered weather patterns including droughts and floods. Wasteful use of water can cause insufficient supply. Lack of water arrangement and distribution. So, growing population. A large population means more water requirement for cooking, washing and bathing. Increased pollution. Water is polluted by factory wastage. Humans are also responsible for pollution. We have to conserve water. Each drop is precious. Every drop counts. Water is everyone's need. Students, it's time to think. Reduce your use of water. Recycle. Do not pollute the water. Harvest and conserve the water. And also reuse used water. Let us join hands to save our Mother Earth, our future generations and our present also. Here are some examples on how to save water. Please follow these steps which will help us to save water. Students, here are some easy water saving tips. Wash laundry and dishes with full loads. Always turn off running water. Take short showers. Eliminate any or all leaks. Reduce the flow of toilets and shower heads. The best option of water conservation is rainwater harvesting. Rain lands on the roof and flows to the gutters. Gutters collect and funnel water to the pipes. Pipes channels the water to the sediment filters. The filtered water flowing under gravity fills the collection tank. Water pressure is provided by a pump and water is provided by the collection tank. This is the whole process of rainwater harvesting. The people who get water from any Jal Board, they have to pay a water bill also. Here is the example for the water bill. Observe the water bill given below and write the details written on the bill. Bill Board, Delhi Jal Board. Bill date, here is the date 2 September September 2009. Consumer's name Shri Satya Prakash. Consumer's address 5183 Balbir Nagar, Shahadra, Delhi. Total bill 649 rupees. Last date of payment. This one is the last date of payment 19/9/2009. Zone code. Here is the zone code NE-1. Area code A-5. MR number 227. WC number 30638. An activity is given for you. Diagram of water cycle. You know students, water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. In this process, liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. So the activity is, dear students, take a paper plate and by using cotton, small cloth, paper cutting and crayons, draw a diagram of water cycle as shown in the given picture. Learn any poem related to water cycle. Here is the link. You can watch the video and learn the song for the water cycle. Some posters are there for you with messages. Save water. It's our future. Recycle the water. It is safe for our future. So students, from this lesson we have learned about from where we get water, reasons for scarcity of water, conservation of water and its importance, and also water cycle. Thank you students.